Welcome again to Vedic Maths. Today we will be finding the square root of any 4-digit or 5-digit number in few seconds. To do this, you first remember this table. That means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and so on up to 10 square, which is 100. So with the help of this table, we would be finding the square root of any 4-digit or 5-digit number very easily. Let's find out the square root of 9409. Step 1. As the digit in the unit place is 9, that means this number is 9, hence the last digit of the required square root will be either 3 or 7. How do we know? That if you see that this 9 is appearing here and 9 is appearing here. So either 3 square is 9 or 7 square is 9. 7 square will give us 9. So again I am repeating, as the digit in the unit place is 9, hence the last digit of the required square root will be either 3 or 7. Now step 2, that is very important. We are writing it in a paired form. So from the left side we are pairing the numbers. 09 is a pair and 94 is another pair. Now this 94 or 94 falls between 9 square, that is 81, and 10 square, that is 100. Hence the first digit of the required square root will be the lower digit between 9 and 10. Remember, will be the lower digit between 9 and 10, that is 9. Step 3. Now the 9 we have already found, so 9 will be multiplied by 9 plus 1. So 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. Now this 94 is greater than 90. Hence the last digit of the required square root will be the greater digit between 3 and 7. Which 3 and 7? This 3 and 7. So will be the greater digit between 3 and 7. So which is the greater one? 7. So the last digit will be 7. Hence the required square root is 97. 9 is coming from here and 7 is coming from here. I think that you have already noticed that I have talked that if 94 is greater than 90, then the last digit of the required square root will be greater digit. So if it was lower, then what would happen? To know this, let's go to the second example. Here we are finding the square root of 5476. Step 1, you know, as the digit in the unit place is 6, hence the last digit of the required square root will be either 4 or 6. Why? Again go back to the table. You see that where we are finding the last digit as 6, 4 square is giving 16 or 6 square is giving 36. That's why we are telling that as the digit in the unit place is 6, hence the last digit of the required square root will be either 4 or 6. Step 2, again we are doing the pairing. So 76 is one pair and 54 is another pair. So this 54 falls between 7 square, that is 49, and 8 square, that is 64. Hence the last digit of the required square root will be the lower digit between 7 and 8. So which is the lower one? 7. Step 3. What we will do? The 7 and 7 plus 1. They will be multiplied. So 7 multiplied by 8, that is 56. Now you see that this 54 is lesser than this 56. This 54 is lesser than this 56. As this is lesser, hence the last digit of the required square root will be the lesser digit between 4 and 6. That means it was either 4 or 6. So it will be the lesser digit between 4 and 6. That means 4. So our required square root will be 74. 7 is coming from here and 4 is coming from here. So in this way you can find out the square root of any 4-digit or 5-digit number in few seconds. In the next class we will be learning something else.